So I mounted the tread roller on the back of the tractor, and now we're gonna try to roll up these little hoses which are under the trees. They kept watering the field the whole summer, but since we're gonna remove this part of the field, we cannot have these pipes in air, so we're gonna roll them up and make small rolls of them. Let's see how that goes. So we have that small field of Jonagored cleared. Now it's time to clear out this field of Jonagored here. As you can see, a lot of wood is already sawn away by people who needed firewood, and they will keep coming until everything is gone. And we have to do the poles ourselves, probably also the tree stumps. So some of them do take the tree stumps, but some of them also leave them in the ground, and that means that we have to take them out ourselves. That doesn't really matter, as we can take them out really easy now with the excavator. That still is one of the most awesome machines we have. You look at what it can do in such a short time without any effort. Well, it's late enough. We finished a lot more roast this evening, but now it's late, so let's head home. I lifted all the poles out in the evening, so that was really nice to do. As evening walk with the big LED light I have on the excavator. It's really a big advantage of having that light on the excavator, as I can do walk in the evening and not spending daylight, and that way I can get a little bit more out of a winter day. It's a really big advantage as time is short in winter. We have about 6 hours of proper daylight in the winter, and we still have a lot to do in the winter where we need light. So if we can do these things in the evening for most part, that really helps. It's also a nice walk to do with the excavator. In the past I would always get hurt with the old-fashioned way how we did it, as it's just a way of getting hurt. But it was the only way we could do back then. About a week ago, the guys who need firewood, they all started sowing. And as you can see, the field is like 80% done already. So we still have trees here on the ground, as I dug them out for these people, because they wanted to take them with the roots, and yeah, we really like that, as that saves us work. So we just dig the tree out with the excavator, and they load them up and make firewood out of it at home. And then we have a few more rows here where we have to wait until these people also finish it. But we already started loading poles here, as you can see, so that way we can get the stumps out. As these 5 rows are having 3 stumps, and the other 5 rows there are having 3 stumps as well. But I think they come out really nice and easy, as they still have a lot of stump on top. So these will make great firewood for ourselves. It's really nice when things go that fast, then we can get things done. So that already cut all the anchors loose, so we could easily lift the anchors. But these poles, they still have an ugly thread there, and I really like to take that off, as it's really dangerous to store it like that. When you take it out, it can hop into your eye and basically everywhere. So that's just a dangerous thing, so we want to get rid of it before we take the poles out. So I brought a bin with my scissor on there, so I can cut all that small and get all the gripples out. They're still approximately a buck each, and yeah, that's quite a lot on there, as we have 2 on each pole, and we have 25 poles on each side, so it's 50, it's 100 gripples. So if we get them out in an hour approximately, then it's just €100 not to spend next time. Apple trees are bought by people who need firewood, so they are also responsible for cutting them up. So we're not going to cut them up ourselves, unless when it doesn't go fast enough. But For as far, we just wait patiently and make sure that we can do all the other work which we have to do. So as you can see here, we already loaded up a trailer of poles. Here we can see a few rows with tree stumps. So these people, they also take the tree stumps with them. So I ripped these all out with the excavator, with a complete tree, and they cut them off. Now they have put them nicely in a row here. So we can hit them once more with the bush mulcher. And the idea is that it takes a lot of roots off, and it will actually be small enough for the fireplace in the house. And this is really nice wood, as the stump of the apple tree is a really hard piece of wood, so it will burn for a long while and give a lot of heat for the size. It's really dense wood, and that's really nice for firewood. Well, we got 3 packs of poles loaded. It just doesn't make sense to bring the forklift in the field, as it's only like 4 or 5 loads, and we have to do them on separate times, as we need to do other stuff as well in the in-between time. So we do each day 1 load or something like that, and that way we will get it done the easiest way. Dad already picked up the big poles yesterday, and today we're gonna pick up the sprinkle poles. We still have them left in the field, and as you can see, there's still some rows of trees left, as some people still have to saw, but they really have to hurry, otherwise we're gonna mulch them up. These are the ground anchors that we took out in 2018 and also 2020. So for all these we haven't planted anything back. And these are the ones that I pulled out this year. Now as you can see, most of them are bent. And what we need to do is to unbend them. Then we can reuse them. And yes, that's possible. That's not a problem at all. It just takes a few hours of work, and then they will all be fine again for reuse. Just hammer them till they are straight, and then they are nice ground anchors. These cost a few bucks each, and buying new ones also costs. So straightening out the old ones really makes sense.